Hi YouTube followers, first couple of weeks into stacking silver. As you can see, this was my first piece, 1 ounce kookaburra. Paid a little bit too much for this, I think. We'll be looking at ordering or sourcing some of the silver locally now. I'd like to show you what I've just accumulated in the first couple of weeks of just getting myself together and on the journey to stacking silver and a little bit of gold also. As you can see here, Canadian maples, 1 ounce. Ten of those. I just wanted to get something a little different, so I got 2 of the 1 ounce American Liberties there. A couple of Pamps 10 grams. They were for the children. There's one missing, but 3 of those, so just under 1 ounce. I got a 1 ounce Pamp there. Stepped it up, went to the next one up, 100 grams. Once again, paid a premium. Be looking at just getting standard cast bars. Down here we've got a little bit of gold. Got a Pamp 1 gram there. Followed there next to that, we got a Pamp 5 gram. Got a 1/10 Australian there. Kangaroo. Next to that we've got just a little bit of silver here. We got, this is a Perth Mint, 10 ounce. That's what I'll be sourcing from now, just your 10 ounce cast like that. And having the first kookaburra as my first one, I decided to go all out and just get a bigger version of it. As you can see here, we got the 1 kilo 2012 kookaburra. By all means, my favourite piece. As you can see, that's the size of it in my hand. Thickness there. Yeah, she's pretty thick. I'd like to get a few more 1 kilos, but definitely just like the smaller stuff, to be honest. One of the maples next to it. Yep, so this first month of stacking, and well, really just a couple of weeks, so we'll see how we go and trying to get up there. Altogether, I believe I've got 58 ounces of silver, and in the gold department, I believe there was, what's that, 6, only about 9 grams of gold, so far away from the 1 ounce gold. Anyway, there's my stack, as you can see. Happy stacking, guys.